Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing unit 8 of your NCERT book decimals. Till now we have done 8.4 exercise and question number 1 and 2 of 8.5 exercise. Now today in this video we'll continue 8.5 exercise, that is from question number 3 onwards. So let's see what is question number 3. Question number 3 is Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 means 10 rupees 50 paisa and her father gave her 15 rupees 80 paisa. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So dear students, what is given to us? For example, in place of Radhika, consider yourself. योर मदर गिव्स यू द पॉकेट मनी 10 रुपीज़ 50 पैसा. आपकी मदर ने आपको इतने पैसे दिए. एंड योर फादर गेव यू 15 रुपीज़ 80 पैसा एज द पॉकेट मनी. तो आपको टोटल करना है कि टोटल अमाउंट कितना आपको मिला पेरेंट्स से. सो फॉर टोटल व्हाट डू? वी हैव टू ऐड द अमाउंट गिवन बाय मदर एज वेल एज बाय फादर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट्स. Money given by mother is equal to this and money given by amount given by father is equal to this, hence total amount. So let us write down the statements. So these are the statements. Amount given by mother is equal to 10 rupees 50 paisa, write them in a proper column way, and amount given by father is equal to rupees 15 and 80 paisa. So total amount given to Radhika by her parents. So total amount given to Radhika by her parents is equal to, we dear students will write the statements from the question only. Will be, what do? क्या कर देना है हमें? टोटल निकालने के लिए क्या किया जाता है? We'll add the things. So let us add the two. This is the decimal. So on the left hand side this is ones place, this is tens, and this is 10th place and this is 100th place. So let us add them in this way. So this is ones place, this is tens, this is 10th place, this is 100th place. So we'll add them accordingly, and while writing the decimals always write the second decimal under the first one, right? So let us add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. So we'll write 3 and carry 1. But before that we have a decimal. Place a decimal. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the money given by her parents? The answer is she will get the money from her parents. How much? 26 rupees and 30 paisa is the answer which she'll get in total from her parents. Now similarly let's do question number 4. So now dear students, question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of the cloth bought by her. I hope the question is clear to you. नसरीन ने अपनी शर्ट के लिए कितना क्लॉथ खरीदा? 3 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर. एंड ट्राउज़र के लिए कितना खरीदा? 2 मीटर 5 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज़ टू बी फाइंड आउट? फाइंड द टोटल लेंथ. अगेन वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल. सो वेन एवर टोटल इज आस्किंग यू, they will ask you the total, we'll add the two. So let us first write down the statements from the question. Shirt cloth is equal to itne, trouser cloth is equal to itne. So let us write down the statement. So we will write cloth for her shirt is equal to, it is given to us, it is equal to 2 meter and 5 centimeter, right? And first of all dear students, let us convert into decimals, means let us convert into meters. तो क्या किया जाएगा? 2 meter plus 5/10, 5/100 meters, because 1 meter is equal to क्या होता है, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter. So this is the relation. तो to convert centimeters into meters we will divide. तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 2 meter plus, let us place the decimals for this, 0.05. So this will be 2.05 meters. So this is the cloth for shirt. Now cloth required for trouser. Trouser, that will be how much? It is 2 meter. Dear students, for shirt it is 3 meters. This is the trouser. This is trouser material. I have written trouser material first. So now let us write for shirt. Cloth required for shirt is equal to 3 meters and 20 centimeter. So let us again convert this. 3 meter plus 20/100 meters. So for this, 3 meter plus 10, carrying 1 digit, leave 1 digit after the decimal. So it will be 3.2 meters. So now this is the cloth for trouser, that is 2.05 meters, and cloth required for shirt is 3.2 meters, right? So now total cloth will be equal to, क्या कर देंगे हम, trouser cloth that is 2.05 meter plus 3.2 meter for shirt. Let us add it. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 2 and 5. So meters. So that much total cloth is total length of the cloth. Therefore we will write the answer from the question. Total length of cloth bought by her. Total length of cloth is equal to 5.25 meters. So dear students, do this question in this way and draw this conversion also in the question, right? So first of all we have converted centimeters into meters to get the value in meters. Here we got the value in meters for shirt, trouser and then shirt, then total cloth, addition of the two. Now let's do question number 5. Now dear students, question number 5. Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meters in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? So मॉर्निंग में कितना वॉक करता है वो गिवन है, इवनिंग में कितनी वॉक करते हो आप वो गिवन है, टोटल डिस्टेंस एक दिन में कितना चलते हो वो निकालना है. अगेन वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट टोटल डिस्टेंस. ही वॉक इन ऑल, टोटल की जगह नाउ ऑल वर्ड इज गिवन टू अस, so that means again we will add. So let us write down the statement as distance walked in morning and distance walked in evening. So what do we write? Distance walked in morning by Naresh is equal to 2 kilometers and 35 meters. So again let us convert this meters into kilometers. So plus 35/1000 kilometers, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometers, right? So in this way write down this conversion in your notebook and then we will do the question. So let us convert 2 plus, both are in kilometers. So for 3 zeros we'll place the decimal leaving 3 digits. 1 digit 2 digit, only 2 are there. Then for third we'll take a 0, decimal 0, and this is kilometers. So distance travelled in this, you can add 2, no decimal is there, then take a decimal and place zeros. Here 0, under the decimal place decimal, 0, 3, 5. So add them, 5, 3 plus 0, 3 is 0, 2 plus 0, 2.035. So 2.035 kilometers. This is the distance which Naresh walks in morning. Now similarly, let us find out the distance walked by Naresh in evening. So distance walked by Naresh in evening is 1 kilometer 7 meters. So 1 kilometer plus 7 by 1000 kilometers, right? For 3 zeros we'll place the decimal, leaving 3 digits. So 1 digit is 7, no other digit, so take second digit as 0, third digit as 0, then place the decimal. So by adding the two we'll get 1.007 and kilometers. So this is the value, this is the distance which he walks in the evening. Now distance travelled in all, distance walked in all is equal to, we'll add the morning distance, that is 2.035 kilometers, and evening distance 1.007 kilometers, like this. So add the two, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 2 and carry 1. 3 plus 1 4, plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 0 is 0, place the decimal under the decimal, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the distance which Naresh travels in all. So answer is 3.042 kilometers is the distance which Naresh travels in all, right? So dear students, our question number 6 is, Sunita travelled 15 kilometer 268 meters by bus, 7 meter by car, and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. See, her school is too far. कितनी ज़्यादा दूर है कि उसे 3 तरह से स्कूल पहुंचना होता है. पहले वो कुछ डिस्टेंस बस से ट्रैवल करती है, फिर कार या टैक्सी हायर करती है, देन कुछ डिस्टेंस ऑन फुट पैदल चलती है, फिर वो अपने स्कूल पहुंचती है. हाउ फार इज़ हर स्कूल फ्रॉम हर डिस्टेंस? सो लेट अस सी. So dear students, we will write the first distance travelled by bus. It is 15 kilometer 268 meters. To convert meters into kilometers, we divide by 1000. So for 3 zeros, we leave 3 digits after the decimal. 1 digit is 8, then 6, then 2, and this. By adding the 2, we'll get the distance travelled by bus as 15.268 kilometer. Similarly, distance travelled by car is 7 kilometer 7 meter. So this 7 meter by dividing by 1000 will get converted into kilometer. So for 3 zeros, leave 3 digits. 1 digit is 7. For other 2 digits, we'll take 0. So 0.007. So by adding the 2, we'll get this. Similarly, distance travelled by her by foot, 500 meters. To convert meters into kilometers, divide by 1000. Leave 3 digits for 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then decimal. Now total distance between school and her residence is, add the 3 distances and let's see what is the total distance. 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, then 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, then place decimal under decimal. 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 carry 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the total distance which Sunita travels to reach her school, because The distance between her school and residence is 22 kilometers and 775 meters, right? Or we can say 22.775 kilometers. So this will be the answer to this question. So I hope it is clear to you. Now dear students, question number 7. Ravi purchased 5 kilograms and 400 grams rice. चावल इतने खरीदे, then sugar 2 kilograms 20 grams, and then flour कितना फ्लार खरीदा, आटा कितना खरीदा 10 kilograms 850 grams. Find the total weight he purchases. मतलब अगर वो तीनों को ऐड करेगा, टोटल निकालना है, तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स डू दिस योरसेल्फ and convert 400 grams into kilograms, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. तो 1000 gram, so 1 gram कितना हो जाता है 1/1000 kilograms. तो kilograms ग्राम्स को डिवाइड कर देंगे हम 1000 से, and the question will be same as we have done in 6th part. So this will be your homework. Do it, try it yourself. So I hope my dear students the concept is clear to you. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you.